Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the revolutionary world of AI-powered website development with a focus on the Reloom AI Site Builder. This tool is setting new benchmarks in website construction with its transformative features and convenience. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, you're going to want to check this out. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to harness the power of the Reloom AI Site Builder to enhance your website design process. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more insights on AI leveraging tools in the no-code space. All right, let's dive in. Just like building a house, web design starts with a plan or a sitemap, develops into a blueprint or wireframe, and finally gets furnished and decorated with compelling copywriting. The Reloom AI Site Builder is here to facilitate this process at a groundbreaking speed, making it a must-have in your design toolkit. To get started, head over to the Reloom library and locate the Site Builder tool. Describe your website idea, click Generate, and voila! You'll be presented with a sitemap page where you can select the number of pages you need for your website. From here, you can either proceed with creating pages or rerun the tool for a new sitemap if needed. Now, let's move on to tweaking your sitemap. You can easily change section orders, edit descriptions, or add new sections. Once you're satisfied, hit the wireframe button to generate individual wireframes for different pages. The remarkable thing here is that the generated copy matches perfectly with your initial website description, saving you a significant amount of time. But what if you want to make adjustments to your wireframes? No worries. Click on the section you wish to modify and select Replace Component, or head to Section Details to edit the copy. If you feel that a section is missing, simply click on the purple plus section button to add components from the Reloom library. Now that your sitemap and wireframes are ready, it's time to export them to your favorite tool, be it Figma or Webflow. In case you're opting for Figma, you'll need the Reloom plugin to import your creations smoothly. Here's how you do it. First, select the primary sitemap from the list and click Add Sitemap. You'll instantly see your sitemap in Figma. Adding wireframes is a similar process. Launch the Reloom plugin in your Figma project, navigate to your project, and click Add Wireframe. You can either add all wireframes at once or create pages for each wireframe individually. It's great to see that both desktop and mobile versions are included, allowing you to make any necessary modifications right there. If you prefer Webflow, the process is slightly different, but equally efficient. You need to export each page individually. Start by importing the home page first, then proceed to copy the other pages one by one. A notable feature is the ability to make sweeping style guide changes that automatically apply across all pages, significantly speeding up the development process. Indeed, what used to take days or weeks can now be done in mere minutes, making this tool an invaluable asset for website builders. We can clearly see how Reloom, akin to Framer AI for Webflow, is revolutionizing the no-code space, empowering individuals to create websites irrespective of their technical skills. In the future, I'm eager to see features like auto-updating icons and color experimentation within projects, offering previews before exporting. I firmly believe that Reloom is paving the way in innovation and is quickly becoming an indispensable tool for designers and developers alike. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Remember, to stay updated with more discussions on AI leveraging tools in the no-code space, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Until then, happy designing.